Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on mobile. First, download the game from your device's app store, ensuring you have at least 8 GB of free storage. Next, check your device meets the minimum specifications, like having at least 4 GB of RAM for a smooth experience. Finally, log in with your existing HoYoverse account or create a new one to begin your adventure in Teyvat and save all your progress. Navigating Teyvat on mobile is intuitive. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for precise character movement. On the right, tap various buttons to perform normal attacks, unleash powerful elemental skills, and activate devastating elemental bursts. The top right corner houses your minimap and menu access, allowing you to manage your inventory, quests, and party members with ease. Mastering these controls is key to your journey. Combat in Genshin Impact thrives on elemental reactions. Experiment by combining different character abilities, like applying Hydro then Electro, to create powerful effects such as Electro Charged. Exploration is equally vital. Traverse the expansive world to uncover countless secrets, including over 1,000 hidden chests and hundreds of challenging puzzles. Remember to use Elemental Sight, a crucial tool, to highlight interactive elements and guide your discoveries. To ensure the best mobile experience, consider optimizing your game settings. If you experience lag, try lowering the graphics quality preset from high to medium or low in the settings menu. This can significantly boost your frame rate. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system memory. Always play on a stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally with a speed of at least 25 megabits per second, to avoid network-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.